Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in the earlier session we saw how to add IAM users and groups using Terraform. Now in this session we are going to discuss about IAM roles. So without any further ado, let's get start the session. So first, let's create a role now that you want to attach to an EC2 instance. Here we can see the AWS IAM role, the S3 MyBucket role, with a role policy that says that this role is going to be used for EC2. I then create an AWS IAM instance profile with the same name as this role. This is just a technicality. If you use the AWS console, then you don't even see the difference. This AWS IAM instance profile is attached to this role, and in this instance profile that we are going to refer to in our instance creation. So, this is default. And then we are going to attach this role to an EC2 instance. And that is just by saying IAM instance profile equals. And then you refer to this AWS IAM instance profile.s3 MyBucket role instance profile. Here, I am going to create a new bucket. It's just another resource. AWS S3 bucket, you give the name. Then, the most important part is to add permissions to this role. So that's what we are going to do now. Now, we need to add some permissions using a policy document. So here you can see, we have a resource, AWS IAM role policy, with a name. Here we refer to the role. And then we have the policy. This policy will determine the access of this role. Here you can see that we are allowing the action as S3 star. So all the S3 actions, to the resources, that match my bucket, and then some random string, or my bucket some random string, /star. So, here we need to specify either you do an action on the bucket, or anything in the bucket. So, there's two different parts that you need to specify here in the statement, to make this work. So now, we are going to create this instance, this bucket, this role, this profile, and attach this role policy, to this role. And then, you will see it you can assume this role in the EC2 instance, to access the buckets, to write something to the buckets or return something to the bucket. So, let's see how to use IAM roles. So as you can see, here I am going to use files from demo9 folder. And here you can see, it is exactly same as I showed in a theory. Here I am going to put up this instance. I am going to use this profile. And I am going to create S3 bucket with IAM role, that will be able to access the S3 bucket. So let's go ahead and launch this. So I am going to run Terraform apply here. So as you can see, creation is complete. We have successfully added our resources. I hope I gave you a clear explanation about this. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.